Alright. Be so fat. There we go. Alright, but today I will show you how to make monkey stew. First, okay? Listening. Listen up. Get your ice cream. And just barely dip it in just a little bit. Okay, what next? You got your seagull. And it's just like the other one. Just barely dip it in. Just go like that. Just like that. Okay, next one. You got your egg. Just like that. And then just go. Just a little bit. Just like the other ones. Just a little bit like that. Okay. Following. But next, there are cookies. We're gonna skip that one though, because I don't have cookies. I forgot to go shopping. But coconut next. You need coconut. Just dip it in just like that. And then just a pinch of crystal. Just like this. Just get a pinch of crystal and just sprinkle it in there. Just like that. But this last ingredient. Let me get my chef hat on, because this is very important. Here's my secret ingredient, so I'm gonna whisper to you. Ready? Make sure no one's looking. Okay. No one over there. No one over there. Okay. Right. Okay. The secret ingredient is okay. Okay. Well, that was it. So, yeah. Tune in for next week's show. Bye.